Hello and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. I'm meteorologist Todd Yacobian. Very active weather. As we thought this weekend would not be a washout. We had that heavy rain Friday night into Saturday morning. Then some showers around northern and southern Arkansas during the day. And now let's just go to radar, and you can see that there are some showers right here along the I-30 corridor going up through central Arkansas, right up the 167 corridor. There are signs. The models had this yesterday. That's why we kept that chance for a few showers in the forecast for today. And I'll show you with this high-resolution model data that that's going to lift out towards the north and away from us by this afternoon. I'm recording this on a Sunday morning at about 9:35 in the morning. But the big weather story, it's going to be the severe weather, and I have little doubt that we will have severe weather by Monday morning and into the afternoon. And this high-resolution model here is actually, this is this morning, Sunday morning, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. It's showing this area of rain. It's a little too heavy with it in spots, but it does pick up on this disturbance flying up towards the north and this warm air actually trying to return from the Gulf of Mexico, which it's going to do. It's very cool outside, but the warmth and the instability, the warmth and the humidity is really going to start to increase later today and tonight, breezy conditions. And I'm telling you, tomorrow is going to be a very active weather day with numerous severe thunderstorm warnings. We'll probably have a watch, could even be a tornado watch because we will have that tornado threat, I think. Not a big tornado threat, but it will be there. I think wind and hail will be the main threats with this. But this is this afternoon at about 4 o'clock. You see how that lifts up towards the north, so some drying. But let's just go tonight. There could be a few showers lingering tonight, but the big show is what we're going to watch tomorrow morning. This is at 6 a.m. Look at the thunderstorms that are developing in eastern Oklahoma, moving into western Arkansas. There's going to be a very strong area of low pressure which will move through Missouri, and it will drag a line of thunderstorms. It will rake the state from west to east. I think there's going to be a lot of thunder and lightning, and I just urge everybody to pay attention to the weather. This is not going to be the end-all, be-all of severe weather outbreaks, but this is going to be significant. We just want everybody to heads up. Like I said, the main threat will be wind and hail, and there is a threat, but it's low, for tornadoes and very heavy rainfall. Now, as soon as this passes by, we may get a little clearing, but then some wraparound moisture is going to come in, and it's going to be cool and breezy, and low clouds probably sticking into Monday night into part of Tuesday, but more on that in just a little bit. Let's get to that line again. This is at 7 o'clock in the morning. Watch any thunderstorm which develops ahead of this main line. Don't take this literally, but watch to see if any of these thunderstorms, because there's going to be some spin, and they could tap into that spin if these get going enough, especially by the late morning and afternoon hours as it moves into central and eastern Arkansas. Those could have a tendency to rotate. Now, this is coming in during the morning hours to western Arkansas, and that's not peak heating of the day. Even though it's in the morning, I still expect some severity to the storms. But I think the threat for even greater severe weather will come during the afternoon once this moves into the eastern half of the state, where we'll have even more instability developing across that portion of the state. Like I said, this is at 7 a.m. in the morning. And like I said, watch any of these thunderstorms ahead of the main line. Now, this main line, go over here, this is at 10 a.m. This line here will have the potential of very gusty winds, some hail, and there could be an isolated tornado or two, especially along the leading edge of it. Notice also it's not very wide. It's a fairly narrow area, so this is going to move quickly through, and that will help limit the rainfall amounts to around 1 or 2 inches. So the flooding threat, it's there, especially street flooding. But as far as any type of catastrophic flooding, I just don't see that happening either. But there will be some street flooding with this. This is at noon, and it's, according to this one model, don't take the timing too literally right now, but that is a good indication, I think, around 11, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, in the afternoon on Monday, for the line of thunderstorms to move into central Arkansas and Pulaski County. That's a good bet. But a lot of wind energy with this. And notice it's already clearing by noon across western Arkansas. And this is the area of the state that's starting to destabilize even further because we're getting the daytime heat on top of that. This is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock. No, I'm sorry. That's at 1. Let's see. And this is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So you can see these, it looks like they really start to intensify as it moves towards the east. And then the frontal boundary back here finally makes a move into Arkansas. And then low clouds and showers. Look at that. Tuesday morning, that's showing low clouds and showers possibly around even into Tuesday morning as some moisture wraps around. So a very dynamic system is coming into the state. The Storm Prediction Center has all of the state, and even later tonight, late tonight, western Arkansas, but this is for Monday. The entire state has a slight risk for severe weather, and the SPC is even has an area across eastern Arkansas, and I can show you the cities that does include Little Rock. So it's the eastern half of the state: Little Rock, southern, southeastern, east central, northeast Arkansas, where this is saying that there's a 30% chance for severe weather within 25 miles of any given point. So, and we're talking about wind and hail. Let me go and show you the counties. Well, that kind of makes the map a little cluttered. But that does include the Little Rock area. But this just goes to show you my thinking that it's that eastern half of the state that destabilizes enough during the afternoon so that the threat for severe weather increased. Don't let your guard down, western Arkansas. I still think that you're going to have some rough weather to deal with in the morning. So let me go back. Let me see if I can find it here. Yeah, let's go back. We'll put this in a loop. It's going to load a loop for you. You can watch how this morning, there's the showers this morning, clears out by this afternoon. You get a lull. Stays cloudy though. And then here come the thunderstorms in the morning, the afternoon, and evening, and then the wraparound moisture. Back to some cool and breezy weather. By the way, a sneak peek into the Razorback game here in Little Rock on Saturday. That's a mid-afternoon game. It's going to be mild. I think temperatures are going to be in the 70s, maybe near 80, but probably in the 70s. And I think we're going to have some sunshine. So the chance for rain is still, about a week away, a little less than a week away. But the chance for rain right now looks very, very much on the low side. I don't see any systems coming through, but it's several days away. Let's hope this forecast holds. So there you have it. That's what we're really watching on Monday, and I urge you to follow at KTV News on Twitter for instant watches and warnings. Also my Facebook page, and of course here on the Arkansas Weather Blog. So thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog for your in-depth weather information. We are your ticket to big weather events.